This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
What's good, YouTube? It is Lore Bender back at it again with another banger video, man. And as y'all can see, your boy finally got a phone mount. Man, for the POV drives. A lot of y'all been telling me to grab this for the longest time, bro, and I finally got it. After what, 150 POV drives, we finally got it. And now these POVs finna be lit, bro. We finna cut up, we finna go crazy in a scatty, and yeah, we finna turn y'all up. We already got 12, we already got Officer Adams trying to find us right now, but it's cool because he not catching us in his scat, man. He not catching us. But hopefully y'all can see everything. I'm gonna put my windows up a little bit. I'm gonna open the sunroof so y'all can see. Get some light in this thing real quick. Let's get started, y'all. Make sure y'all enjoy this video. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. This will be a lit POV drive, man. Your boy finally got the head mount, man. We can finally cut up now. A lot of y'all been like, yo, you ain't really cutting up, lorShift. Cause I'm using one hand, bro. Now we got the two-hand action. Pause. Y'all already know we gotta go in track mode, man. Let's start it. Let's warm her up, man, with a quick little pull. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all hear it popping when I downshift, bro? This shit crazy. This shit crazy, look. Let me give y'all some pops. Some burbles. Officer Adams just drove by us. God, bro. This shit drawing, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. This shit tough. Hopefully my engine don't overheat. I do need a thermostat, cause I literally dogged the shit out of this Scat pack, bro. I need a thermostat. 180-degree thermostat, man. I apologize if it's a little wobbly. This ain't a GoPro head mount, so it ain't like I got a light little camera on my head. My phone is about 30 pounds and it's holding my neck down, so like it's a little wobbly, and it's like I gotta look at a certain angle for it to be straight to y'all. We got Officer Adams posting up over there. Look at him trying to creep up. He gonna bust a Yui right when I pass him too, watch. Look at him, y'all. Look at Officer Adams. Look at him. Told y'all. Told y'all. Yo, cops be blowing me, bro. That ain't stopping me from going crazy, though. That ain't stopping Lord Bender from going crazy. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This shit crazy, bro. That's the only thing with the city, bro. People stop and go and stop and go. Like, I was trying to hit a pool real quick. Here we go. Can I make a left here? I can make a left here. In the city, there is cops that normally post up on the corners and stuff, so, but that don't matter, y'all. I don't even know why I'm mentioning the cops right now, bro. Oh shit, I'm fried. I can't even make a left right here. I'm tweaking out. Hold on, y'all. This is my first time using this mount, so y'all gotta bear with me. If the angle look bad, if it's wobbly, just let me know in the comment section below. I'ma still drop it, but I don't care if the quality looking crazy. I'm still dropping this video, y'all, so y'all gonna get something. By the way, we are almost that big 25K subs, man. We at like 24 and some change. We almost there, man. On the road to 100K. You already know what to do, man. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video out with your family, your friends. We're going up from here, y'all. I need 50K by the end of this year, for sure. We hit 25K in what? I say like a year and a half. But we working, y'all. We working. I'm just trying to get some good content for y'all. That's all that matters. Some videos blow up, some don't. I'm gonna do a highway POV drive next, cause like I said, I didn't know the city was gonna be like this. It's a lot of stop and go action right now, so I can't go too crazy. The lights is really messing me up. The traffic is messing me up. I should have came and did a night POV, but I was like, you know what, bro? I ain't dropped a video in a little minute. It's hot as hell outside. I just bought the GoPro, or the little head mount joint, as you can see. I'm like, I might as well just make a quick little video real quick. I gotta watch out. I know Adams be in a cut. Let me make a left, bro. Niggas be acting retarded in the fucking city. Nah, it ain't a cop. We good. Thought this was an undercover nigga. Oh man, we gotta bust a U-turn. We coming out the city now, y'all. Lord Bender coming out the city. Let me bust a U-turn real quick. We can't make one right here. We're gonna make one up here. I was gonna do it, but I can't see behind me with this head mount on. I don't wanna be looking back and shit. I mean, it's not that bad. We still gonna do it right here though. I don't care. Fuck it. For the one time. You're not allowed to, but fuck it. I'm trying to keep my head as still as possible right now, y'all. Let me know, man. Let me know if y'all bang with the head mount, or if y'all would rather me hold it with my hand. I'll do that too. I'm gonna probably get a couple more videos with this. If it's wobbly and I don't really like it, I'm gonna still do a highway POV with it, just so y'all can see how I cut up, cause I ain't really been cutting up like that. God. Oh my God. You want to race, little nigga? You want to race? Yo, he is crashing out in that shit. Let's make a left. I do got to take a thumbnail too, y'all, so I might stop this video and then continue the video after I take the thumbnail. Wherever that's going to be at. I know where to take it at. Same places I did my RT. Oh my. Right here. I like your car. I know the cops on the hunt for me right now. They probably like, where this nigga at, bro? I keep hearing shit. Where he at? Yo, I got 41 miles left, bro. What the fuck? It's hot as hell outside, y'all. I want to turn the AC on, but I can't do that in track mode. What color y'all want? Y'all want white? I'm banging with purple. Purple the hardest color, bro. Then we got the LED. Yeah. 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 you gonna get me copyrighted, cuz? What you doing, cuz? Tripping out. Alright, we good, y'all. We good. See, in a scat, bro, you gotta make people move, bro. Move that shit, cuz. Let's make it right. We're gonna cut all the way over. Give y'all a quick pull through this little tunnel. Alright, we need a good thumbnail spot. I'll stay over here. I don't know where I'm at right now, y'all, but I never been in this area before, yo. Surprisingly, I've never been in this area. Officer Adams. Yo, Adams is outside today, bro. Bro, gotta chill. Let's give y'all some revs real quick, man. Burbles, bro. Boy, that shit getting ready to blow up, bro. Stop. Little ass Benz. Shit getting ready to blow up. It's getting dark now. Hopefully y'all can still see, man. We got ceramic 15% on the windshield. Officer Adams? No, that's not Adams. That ain't Adams. Why is he flashing the high beams? We beating that. We beating that. We beating that. Take my thumbnail right here. Damn, how the hell I get in there? Oh, right there. All right, cool. Like I said, man, we're gonna pick the camera back up once I take this picture. I'm gonna take this picture real quick, man, and then we're gonna pick the camera back up, continue to go crazy, man. We're gonna continue to go crazy. Who the hell laughing? Bro, y'all can't tell me this ain't the hardest scat, bro. Like, oh my God, bro. This joint got so much potential. Like the hood, wait till I get the hood that I'm looking at. Wait till I get the wheels that I'm looking at. Like, wait till I do what I'm gonna do. I'm not even done yet, bro, with this car. This shit looks so good already. Oh, y'all, before we get back in the car, I gotta show y'all how she's sounding real quick. Let me show y'all how she's sounding. Ew, bro. Tanny. Straight tanny, y'all. One of the hardest scats, and it's not even done yet. We're gonna continue to go crazy, man. I'm gonna pick the camera back up in a second. Let me get ready to get in the car. Then we're gonna record for a couple more minutes. Then we're going to the video, man. But if y'all still watching this, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Any video recommendations y'all think I should drop as far as POV drives? Let's get it, y'all. Let's get back on the road, man. Let's get back on the road. Oh, it's a lot darker than it was. Sheesh. Left turn on red. Okay, buddy. We're not doing no illegal things on this video or in this video. Next video I got y'all though. We doing all legal shit. So next video, y'all better stay tapped in. Bro, these lights be dicking me. fuck? Give y'all a quick pull real quick. Alright, y'all. If y'all still watching this, man, oh, we got women to police here. We running from them. We running from them. Say nah. If y'all still watching this video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe before I end it, man. Right before I end it. Do it right now if you haven't already. Like, comment, and subscribe. But anyways, we gonna get out of here, man. If y'all want me to do any other POV drives, just let me know. And I got y'all. Go down in the comment section below and talk to your boy, man. I'ma respond, feel me? I ain't no Hollywood ass nigga, you feel me? But we gonna end this video. It's your boy Lord Bender, and we out. Hold on, let me give y'all one little pull real quick. All right, y'all, it's your boy Lord Bender, and we out. Boom.
Simple as that.